your support, you know. From long time. Remember you're day one subscriber, you know, Mika. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, dude. So, I may say if I'm really serious, that's why I tell me say you have an active channel, so you can go there and subscribe. And then you have the, see? 2, 3. Stop right there. Show the people them legs. So them big. And them big and fat and nice. And then them big mix. High quality. And the next time I go a country, rent a vehicle and drive it. I order one. I save man one in it, you know. Yeah, but you deal with some rental business. So probably next time I come down and rent one of them there and drive from now. Oh, you serious? Egg love by God. Well, if you're serious, nothing around, we can arrange it and make sure get it. I don't know, so me I'm gonna make sure get it. You have to ask. We can arrange it and we can arrange it and make sure get it, man. I mean, the shit here where I do. Come on. Shit really, what you doing? Oh, make sure you not do it. Yeah, man, love by God. Hey, morning. Alright. I get the breeze. Alright, sir. I'm going here. Yeah, man, so people if you not check in on the island and don't want to carry for rent and everything there, they can link up Jamaican same way and we get them ready and active. Yeah, man. The guy next door I saw him rent him rent cars, him have a lot of vehicles when him rent out and things. So that's why I say probably when I go down, you know, life spare and everything work out alright. Or we can rent on them vehicle and drive go down. Yeah, we could have bring the egg to Mika. It is. Yeah, man, if you're serious about that, you get the egg them to Mika, man. I know you're serious, so I don't have a question on that. We get three peg of ackee, guys. We get 3 peg of ackee. Already. 3 peg. Tomorrow we can get more. We're going in live soon because then we're going to clean. We're going to clean up and music are going to play. Charge the phone actually want to charge now, you know. Let's see me come inside. Well, that sound like a plan. That sound even better, Mika. That's why I tell myself